Good morning, students. This video is for class 3 science, and today also we will continue with that same chapter, that is some properties of water. After explaining some properties of water, today our topic of discussion will be water solution. Water solution. First, you have to understand what do you mean by solution. Solution is a substance in which two or more substances are mixed together. So if you ask me what is water solution, I will tell you any substance that is mixed with water or that is dissolved in water is known as water solution. So what is solution? Solution is a mixture, or solution is a mixture of two or more substances is known as solution. So a solution is formed when two or more substances of the same kind mix or dissolve completely. So when two or more substances mix or dissolve completely, the substance that is formed is known as solution. The substance which dissolve is called a solute, and the substance into which a solute dissolve is known as solvent. So if you don't understand, let me give you an example. Suppose if you take water and sugar and put the sugar in the water and mix it. So after some times, after the sugar getting mixed, you will not be able to see the sugar. So that is the solution form. So what is the solute? Solute is the solid particles in which is actually dissolved in the liquid. So sugar is the solute, and here in what the sugar is dissolved? The water. So water is the solvent. So remember, in a solution, the solute is the smaller quantity, means we don't put one full bag of sugar in one glass of water. So solute, the solute, the substance which gets dissolved is the smaller quantity, and the substance in which the solute gets dissolved is the larger quantity. So in water and sugar solution, sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. Solute substances are usually present in lesser quantity, as I have said, and while solvent forms the largest component of a solution. So in a solution, solvent is the larger component and solute is the smaller quantity. Solvent is commonly a liquid substance which can dissolve a solute easily. So generally, solvent is the liquid which can dissolve the solute easily, which can mix the solute easily. For example, if you dissolve sugar in water, sugar is the solute while water is the solvent, and the sweet water formed, after the sugar getting dissolved, the sweet water that is formed, that is the solution. Generally, most of the substance get dissolved in water. So if you see many substances, there are many substances which gets dissolved, which get mixed in water, and after getting mixed, you won't be able to see the solute particles. Now, conditions that affect a solution. That means, what are the conditions which can affect the solution? Number one, normally a solute dissolves faster in water under the following conditions. So what are the conditions which affect the speed of the solution? Number one, a solute dissolves faster when it is stirred in water. That means if you take sugar and if put in water and you take a utensil like spoon and then stir it, move the water fast, you will see the solute will dissolve faster. So this is one condition, that if you stir the water, the solute will dissolve faster. Next, if you heat the solution, the solute will dissolve faster. As you can see in the sweet shop, when they make sweets, you see the sugar solution which they make, they heat it so that the sugar gets dissolved at a very very fast rate or faster rate. Next, increasing the quantity of water can make the solid dissolve faster. Now suppose if you take 1 glass of water and you put 50 gram of sugar, you will dissolve. Now suppose instead of 1 glass of water, you take 1 jug of water and you put that same 50 gram of sugar, you will see that the sugar will dissolve faster. So whenever if you increase the solvent, if you increase the quantity of solvent, solute will dissolve faster. So what are the conditions I said? If you stir the water, the solute will dissolve faster. If you heat the water, solute will dissolve faster. If you increase the quantity of water, solute will dissolve faster. And if the solute particles are very small, if you make the solute particles very small, it will dissolve faster. So what are the conditions I said? First one is stirring of water makes the solute dissolve faster. Heating the water will make the solute dissolve faster. Increasing the quantity of water and if you make the solid particles very small, it will dissolve faster. So these are the conditions. So I hope all of you have understood what is a solution, what is a solute, what is solvent, and the condition that affect the solution. So please children, after watching the videos, please read the portion that I have explained. Then you will find that everything becomes very simple. So children, for today up to this much. Thank you class.